Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets where you can polish your knowledge and clear doubts. Friends, today's video is question number 2.29 from NCERT textbook class 11 and the chapter name is Structure of Atom. So let's check the question. Using SPD notations, describe the orbital with the following quantum numbers. So here we have some options A, B, C and D. So let's start with A. Before starting, let me give you a general idea. For if n is equal to given any number, it means it is the principal quantum number, and the numerical value when we are seeing 2p, 3s, 5d like that numerical value is the n. The other thing, the value of L. So if the value of L is 0, it means the orbital will be S. If the value of L is 1, the orbital will be P. If it is 2, it will be D. 3, it will be F, and so on like that. So if we know the L value, we can get easily what the orbital will be. So first thing is N is equal to 1 and L is equal to 0. So from n is equal to 1, we can directly say that the shell number is 1 and L is equal to 0. It means the orbital will be S. So we can say 1s. The notation will be 1s. So easy. First one is clear. Come up to B. N is equal to 3 and L is equal to 1. So n is equal to 3. It means the shell number is 3, third shell, and L is equal to 1. It means the orbital is p orbital. So we can write 3p. And now answer is here. Now come up to C. In the same way, N is equal to 4 and L is equal to 2. So N is equal to 4 means the shell number is 4. And L is equal to 2 means we will come up here 2. 2 means the subshell is D, or we can say orbital is D. So here the notation will be 4D. In the same way we can go with the last one, the D. N is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3. So principal quantum number is 4, so the shell number is 4. And azimuthal quantum number L is 3. It means the notation is F. So we can write 4F. So here comes the answer for all the 4 questions. Hope this video helps you in your studies. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till then, thank you.